During the COVID pandemic, the Ministry of Transportation extended the 90-day window for Stream A ignition interlock to 282 days. You'll recall I did previous videos if you want to take a look at what Stream A ignition interlock is and what Stream D is as well. That's fully explained there. But in a nutshell, Streams A is where you plead guilty within 90 days under the old law to a DUI and are able to get the ignition interlock in your car for the rest of your 9-month suspension for the full year, as a quick example. So what's going on right now is the government, the Ministry of Transportation, has just announced that they're going to repeal the 282 days. So as of May 1 of this year, this is very important to mark down if you have a DUI in the pending right now or impaired driving. As of May 1, 2023, the 282 days is being repealed and they're going back to the 90 days. So, for example, if you have a case in the system that is more than 90 days old as of May 1, you need to plead guilty before May 1. So going forward now, all cases you're going to have to plead guilty within 90 days to get Stream A or D, by the way. I won't get into Stream D much. You can look at that in my other video. So this is very important. You need to review your case right now and see how old the case is in relation to May 1. If it's 90 days, if it's going to be older than 90 days as of May 1, you need to bring it forward and plead guilty if you intend to do that. Maybe you're going to trial. But very important point, I'm very concerned that hundreds of thousands of cases in the province might get caught by this, and people need to know this. This was just announced by the ministry very recently, and it kind of caught people by surprise. I kind of thought the 282 days was working great, and I'm surprised in a way that they didn't keep that, because it was a bigger window to allow people whether to decide to plead guilty. So very important, mark it down if you're facing that and take note of it for the future. So, and especially after May 1, of course, if you're charged, you have to plead guilty within 90 days. But one quick, you don't have to plead guilty to qualify, you need to plead guilty. One quick caveat though, don't pretend it's 90 days, pretend it's 89 days, because we found that the ministry, even though it says 90 days in the legislation, it ain't. It's 89 days, and people have been caught in that too. So mark that down. 89 days is the date to plead to qualify for Stream A or D. Now, on that note, we have offices across the province in Toronto, Kitchener, London, and Windsor. For example, you could call our Toronto DUI or impaired driving lawyers and get the advice you need today for free. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.